Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on Easyfun. GG. This platform provides a straightforward way to access many popular games, and Roblox is certainly one of them. We'll walk you through each essential step, ensuring you can quickly get started with your favorite experiences. From navigating the website to launching the game, we've got you covered. Get ready to dive into the exciting world of Roblox with ease. First, open your web browser and head over to the Easyfun GG website. Once there, you'll find a user-friendly interface designed for easy navigation. To locate Roblox, simply use the prominent search bar usually found at the top of the page, or explore the various game categories. Make sure you click on the correct Roblox game listing to proceed to the next step and avoid any confusion. After successfully finding Roblox, click on its game icon to begin. The platform will then guide you through the launch process with clear on-screen instructions. Depending on your previous activity, you might be prompted to log into your existing Roblox account or create a brand new one. Follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth transition into your gaming session and start playing without delay. To ensure the best possible gaming experience, always check that your internet connection is stable. A strong connection prevents interruptions and lag, making your gameplay much more enjoyable. Take a moment to explore Easyfun GG's features and settings. Understanding the platform better can enhance your overall experience. Finally, don't hesitate to discover the wide variety of Roblox games available through this convenient platform. Happy gaming!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.